Ki paiba nonglek nongwan ki bayai lengba ka Jingkieng umiam ban wan sha Shillong bat hiar se gawati lengba ka ribhoi district lahab ban mat byang ya ka Jingthew kali ka bajur ha ka te ka banta Jingkieng habawat ya ka daw ka Jingthew kali layo Jingtep kat kumbala batai de ki bor pulet pahara la yathu badai na ka daw bala panhiar byang ya ka Jingjrong jong Jingthew new barrel sakumba sau Inchi ai lai thu ru baka daw bala penhiar byang ya ka Jingjrong barrel kadei baki kali kum ki boss ki trok ki bahe bat ki bajrong ki danglait bandrung napo barrel kat kum ka Jingthew barim ka batam sau Inchi laong baka Jingthew barim labu r.5 meter handrei la pentam so sau Inchi bat kumta manta la penbyang besbang r.5 meter kumba don ka Jingthew hak signboard bat kumta ki boss bat ki trok ki lahab ban phai no bat wanra ya ka Jingthew kali ka bajur Kuman syukudo bah kenta kili jingkili hak dor bar mang tengka jong ka yeng dor bar thau ain ka jalla Meghalaya hak sau tarik luber arjar persan uba lakmen remboi Amerika United Democratic Party UDP na amlarem ulabu jingkili ya sarkar halor ka jingbam patsa banya ki kali bahe pat kit khia lengba ka Jingkieng umyam ban wan sha Shillong haba juba ba preston tensong sembut mitrang ba badai khmi yakna bludi roads ulong ba yaki kali balapalat r.5 meter ka Jingjrong empat sha yaki banyai lengba kumju ki bakit palat khandai metric ton bat pentep ba ka NHI DCL kadang pen khre bansna da ka wei ka sorok na ki dei benta na kani ka juba balakman ulong ba umla ban sngotu ka e ki jedai hapneng ka jingbam sha ki kali bajrong r.5 meter banyai lengba balakhang banyai ki kali ki bakit palat khandai metric ton kabau ba prostun ulong ban nalor blabu ya ka Jingthew ki donru ki CCTV camera.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 16. Sir, vehicles with height limit of 2.80 meter and only single axle vehicles with gross weight not beyond 9 metric ton are allowed to ply on the bridge. B and C, sir, DPR for four-laning of Barapani Shillong Road is under preparation by NHIDCL.
Sir, what is the logic behind restricting the height limit of 2.8 meter when there is already the prescription that the limit is 9 metric ton? So what is the relation between the height and the height and the weight of the vehicle so that this bridge could not, the motor could not use through that bridge, sir?
Sir, in fact, the reason of the height limit of 2.8 meters happens after we study everything. For example, like night super. Night super, the height of the night super is beyond 2.80 meters. So therefore, ultimately, we said that the height also has to be prescribed accordingly to prevent any unseen, unfortunate incident in this particular bridge.
So, but the weight, the prescription for this bridge is that it carries 9 metric ton. I don't know the logic behind restricting the height, because if the height is 3-4 meter also, if the weight is below 9 metric ton, it will not affect the bridge. So this need to be looked into.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya